Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another nice little travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Those of y'all wanting a nice little basic small camper, this is there you go, 2014 Coleman 15 BHS. I reckon it's about the smallest one they build. It's only 18 foot long, including the tongue. Weighs right at 2,800 pounds. Easy to tow, easy to use. You just plug it up and go. And very affordably priced at $89.95. Includes a complete inspection. $89.95. 2014 Coleman. Got a water heater, single axle, so it's easy to maneuver. You know, if you're wanting a first-time camper, something not complicated, something you can just, you know, unhook and plug in and start camping, this might be a good choice for you. 30 amp power service. It's got bunks, air, heat, everything you need, nothing you don't. Got the diamond plating on the bottom, protects you from rock damage and stuff like that. It's got an awning for extra shade. A little bit of outside storage. I mean, this is a pretty small camper, so it doesn't have a ton. CTS 15BH Expedition LT. Step inside, just came in. No carpet. It's all linoleum, so easy to clean. Shooting this on the fly, so there's no power. I'm sorry about that. This table makes a queen size bed. So this is your main bed. Got some overhead storage. Got a window unit AC, which for a small camper is all you need. And an added benefit of that, if you're into off-grid camping, good thing about that doesn't require the amperage an RV air does. You can get you one of those small Honda 2,000 watt generators. It'll pull that air and everything in here with no problem, versus a rooftop unit. You got to have a 3,000 or 4,000 watt generator. That quite a bit bigger, quite a bit more expensive than one of those little 2,000 watters. So another nice benefit I like to point out. RV refrigerator. It is LP or electric. Got a furnace, a little 2-burner stove top. Like I said, everything's just what you need. Got a microwave. 2 bunks right here in the back corner. Some storage right here. Step back here. Bathroom, stand-up shower, separate shower. Of course, we'll put a shower curtain in it when we do our checkout. Toilet and more. Nothing to it, folks. Easy, and a lot of people, that's what you're looking for. You'll like it. Got blinds in the windows. $89.95 while it lasts, folks. If you're interested, give us a call, 706-965-7929. The price, of course, like all of our prices, are haggle-free, but they include a lot more than just a camper. They include this 14 Coleman 15BH Expedition. It will go through our service department after purchase. Shouldn't take us long at all to do it. We're going to go through a complete inspection, make sure everything works. If you want to see everything that we're going to inspect and guarantee for the price you pay, go to our website, parkwayrvcenter.com, or click on the link below in the video description if you're watching this on YouTube, and it will take you to my to my travel trailer page on my website, which is parkwayrvcenter.com. Pictures, specs, weights, floor plan, factory sales brochure, that list of everything we're going to make sure works, and more. I guarantee you this, there's not another dealer out there for an $89.95 camper is going to put it through the inspection process that we do. But that's why you're considering buying a camper from us. We're Parkway RV Center. We've been in business 51 years. We sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. We've got a bunch of campers in stock I'm going to try to post. And everybody likes a small camper. I mean, you can tow this little Toyota truck or Nissan or, just SUVs. I mean, there's a lot of different vehicles you can tow. If you're not sure what your vehicle can tow, I've got you covered on that too. Go to my tow guide section on my website. Put your vehicle information in. It'll tell you what you can tow. You can push a button. It'll tell you everything that I have on the lot that your vehicle can safely tow. And it also accounts for luggage and water as well. So, Got any questions about any of that, give us a call, drop us an email, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Our price is haggle free, includes a complete inspection, includes cleanup after purchase. It gets inspected, then cleaned up inside and out. Then you get an RV orientation. The RV tech that checked it out knows it better than anybody. It's going to go through this camper with you, show you how to operate everything, show you everything works, show you anything you had to repair. There's no surprises, no games, no gimmicks. Just one of the easiest transactions you've ever had on a used vehicle. Of course, you can record them with your phone or camera while he's doing the orientation. We have financing available if you need it, with approved credit and down payment. Nationwide deliveries available. We also give you some other nice perks after the orientation. Of course, we give you your drive-out tag, your legal drive-out tag, 45 days, no charge. We give you a free starter kit with all your camping essentials, sewer hose, water hose, pressure reducer, chemicals, adapters, and much more. All that's included. That's $100 worth of stuff. Plus, we give you free camping up to 21 nights in a 12-month period at 7 nights at a time to select RV resorts nationwide. $1,000 worth of free camping. So you get a lot more than just a camper at Parkway RV Center. And we've been doing this for 51 years. Subscribe to my channel. We've got the largest selection of used RVs in a 500-mile radius. Got a bunch of trailers that I'm going to be posting in the next few days. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go to my website. Save it to your favorites. Give us a call. Come out and visit with us, folks. We're the only dealership around. You can come out and look at 150 plus used RVs without having to go through a sales office, without having to give them a copy of your driver's license, or have them get all your personal information before they even let you on the lot. This is the only dealership around that you can look at this much inventory without having a salesperson escort you. Of course, you're certainly welcome to have one if you wish, but you don't have to. And we let you look at your own leisure, your own pace. Come look as long as you want, as many times as you want. Our inventory is constantly changing. So thank you for watching. Please call ahead to verify availability. And look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.